Have you ever wondered how supercars shift gears so fast, almost instantly? That's the magic of dual clutch transmission, or DCT. Today, we're breaking down how it works, why it's so fast, and why it's used in everything from sports cars to daily drivers. A dual-clutch transmission is a type of automated manual gearbox that uses two separate clutches. One for odd-numbered gears and one for even-numbered gears. This allows for nearly instant gear shifts without interrupting power. Unlike a traditional manual transmission, where a driver has to press the clutch pedal and shift manually, a DCT automates the entire process using electro-hydraulic controls. And compared to a regular automatic transmission, it's much faster and more efficient. Here's the secret behind its speed. While one clutch is engaged in a gear, the second clutch pre-selects the next gear. So when it's time to shift, the transition happens almost instantly. Because there's no delay from disengaging and engaging gears separately, DCTs can shift in as little as 8 milliseconds faster than any human could ever shift. DCTs offer the best of both worlds, lightning-fast shifts for performance and fuel efficiency for everyday driving. That's why brands like Porsche, Ferrari, and Lamborghini use them in their high-performance models. Examples of famous DCT cars. DCTs aren't perfect. While they're amazing at high speeds, they can be jerky at low speeds, especially in stop-and-go traffic. DCTs can also be expensive to repair because they use complex electronics and multiple clutch packs. Maintenance costs are often higher than traditional automatics. That's why many manufacturers, like BMW and Mercedes, are switching to advanced torque converter automatics for smoothness. So, should you get a DCT? If you love fast shifts and performance, yes. But if you want smooth, worrying-free driving, a torque converter automatic might be better. That said, if you're all about speed, a DCT is the ultimate weapon. So, is a DCT right for you? If you love performance and quick shifts, it's a dream. But if you prioritize comfort over speed, a regular automatic or manual might be better. What do you think? Would you choose a DCT over a manual? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tech breakdowns.